What is going on, guys? Today I'm over here in Washington, in Beaumont, Texas, and this is El Pulgarcito Salvadoreño. I'll be saying that wrong, but I was just driving by. I saw this was a Salvadorian place, El Salvadorian place, and I want to check it out. I don't think I've had El Salvadorian food, so let's go experience it together. All right, guys, made it in. My glasses are gonna transition to clear after a while, but I made it into El Pulgarcito Salvadoreño, and I was trying to talk to them, try to get them to tell me what is the Salvadorian food over here. And she told me that the pollo guisado is one that's super popular. I don't know if that's Salvadorian. I'm assuming it is because we're here, but she also said to get the pupusa, and they have a bunch of different ones. I decided to go with their most popular one, which is the revueltas, which is chicharron, frijoles, queso, pork meat, beans, and cheese. Looks like it has like everything that they have in there. So there's like chicharron, there's frijoles, there's laraco con queso, which is like vegetables, laraco, cheese. There's jalapeno con queso, spinach con queso, and zanahoria con queso, which is carrots. Then I also got, besides the pupusa, I got the carne asada fries because I know how people love carne asada fries. I'm not a huge fan of like stuff on my fries because it makes it less crispy, but we'll try it. We'll see how it tastes. Also got me this. This is one of their agua frescas. It's a hibiscus one. So let's try it. Good. A little more on the sweeter side, but definitely tastes that hibiscus, like the floral notes of it. So I'll give you a little tour of the place. Kind of a small building, but they got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, about 12 tables over here. Like a lot of restaurants, like similar to like Filipino restaurants, they have their little store area. So they have the little store area over here where they got some food from El Salvador. You can buy some stuff over here. There's the kitchen over here. And that's about it. Nice little seating area right here too. What's in here? Nada. I'll just wait for my food right now. It's only me in here. So come check out this place. We'll see if the food's good first though, but it smells pretty good. All right, so the first thing I got is the pollo guisado, which is like a thigh and leg piece with some rice. There's some salad here, and it comes with 2 homemade tortillas, fresh out the grill, pretty hot. Everything's coming in right away. Let's try this. Let's just try the sauce on this one. It's like a bright orange sauce. We'll try a piece of potato right there. There's the sauce. Salty. That's the flavor I'm getting right away. Let's try it with the chicken. I think like it's got so much salt that that's all I'm tasting. But let's try it with the tortilla. Probably balance it out a little bit better. So got some of the tortilla. We'll get some of the potatoes in there. Carrots. Carrots are nicely like soft and cooked down. Put some lime. That's probably what it needed, the lime for sure. And then they have some sauces over here. They got this hot sauce from Jalisco hot sauce. And I noticed like a lot of the Caribbean places that I visit, like Cancun or whatever, they have this like habanero hot sauce. So we'll try this. Is there anything in there? There's like 3 more drops. There you go. Maybe a little more. Let's try it. Much better with the tortilla. The corn sweetness balances that saltiness from the chicken. I think that lime too really balances that out too. All right, I'm gonna get me, let's try this Jalisco sauce. I thought the sauce would be a little more flavorful, but all I'm just tasting is that chicken flavor. Let's try some of this thigh piece over here. Dip that. Definitely needs the corn tortilla. That helps it a lot. We have a salad over here. There's no like dressing for it, just like a dry salad. It's just salty. This habanero one is what's needed all over this chicken. Put that all over. I'm gonna try that again. Without the salsa, it's too salty. With it, it's better. This is like home cooked meal, kind of stewed chicken. They give you a good amount. They gave you like the leg and thigh piece, and along with a couple of like breast chunks in there, just because. This is super popular. There's like, I got another bottle, and there's like barely any in here too. So I asked for some more. Yeah, there's like nothing in here. I like this one. This one is the one I like. This one. Awesome, thank you. Brand new bottle. Thank you. There we go. Now I can dump this on here. Oh yeah, that's how much I need. Tastes 100% better with the salsa. The rice also balances it out, but the corn tortilla even more. Let's try this one. This is the pupusa. It has beans in there, pork. Comes with a slaw, which would probably go well with the main dish. Let's open it up. Let's see it. Oh, super cheesy. You can see they like stuffed it, they flattened it out. Got the beans. This one comes with its own salsa too. So let's just take another piece out right there. Nice cheesy piece of pupusa. Dip it in here. It's that corny tortilla flavor. You got the beans, the cheese. Let's try it with the slaw. Slaw adds a nice little freshness to it. I don't know about this salsa. I still might like that habanero one better. Definitely like vinegary. Let's try it with this habanero one. It's clearly the favorite of the restaurant because everybody is eating it. All right, let's try it. Put this on everything. That's good. I like it better. But this combined with the slaw, gonna make a good little bite. It's that crunch, that texture. So this is the carne asada fries. You got the sour cream, you got the guacamole on there, cheese. These are like homemade fries, so not anything store-bought. It's gonna be a little bit crispy, but not super crispy. Let's try it. Potatoes are good. This is gonna need some hot sauce too, I can already tell. But you got the carne asada, some tomatoes, onions, cilantro, jalapenos. This is good, this is tasty. Fries, potatoes, guacamole, the crema. I don't even mind that it's not super like crispy, but all the flavors taste good. So that's a plus. Add a little of this hot sauce, like I said, put this on everything. I see why the bottle is already halfway done, just from me using it. Let's try it with the hot sauce. This, I like. Yeah, this is good. Carne asada fries, tasty. So I'm gonna finish this up, and then I'll tell you on the outside what I think about this place. El Pulgarcito Salvadoreño, something like that. I'll tell you on the outside. All right guys, so that's me from El Pulgarcito Salvadoreño over here in Beaumont, Texas. What I think about it, I thought Like some of the food was a little bit salty. Maybe that's just my taste buds. I'm not used to Salvadorian food. And I like the carne asada, that was yummy. And also the little pupusa. You don't get pupusas too much around here in Beaumont. So I need to check out more of the food, explore more of the menu, but I like those. A little salty for me for that little chicken dish, but definitely go check it out, make your own opinion about it, and see if you like it over here in Beaumont, Texas, El Pulgarcito Salvadoreño. I think that's how you say it. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy this one. Don't forget, if you guys want to follow me, follow me at Beaumont Foodie. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace!